It was only last week when he was handpicked to serve as the Union Rural Development Minister. But in a tragic turn of events, one of the tallest BJP leaders from Maharashtra, Gopinath Munde, passed away this morning following an accident in the capital.
Early morning at this very spot right behind me in the Aurobindo Chowk area of South Delhi, this accident took place. In fact, through our sources in the Delhi police, we are getting to know that from the Prithvi Raj Road intersection, his SX4 vehicle was moving towards this Aurobindo Chowk area. He was headed towards the Delhi airport, perhaps on way to Mumbai, where his original residence, original home is. He has been, of course, busy as the Rural Development Minister with several meetings actually taking shape. You can see this is the exact spot. There are forensic experts and also experts of the Delhi police and photographers trying to identify the entire location and also have sealed this entire place, trying to monitor how this accident really took place.
Munde succumbed to a cardiac arrest following the accident near Aurobindo Chowk in the capital.
According to the bulletin which came out from the AIIMS Trauma Center, we know that Munde was brought in, Mr. Gopinath Munde was brought in around 6:20, and after that there was no response to his heart, there was no response to his blood pressure. The doctors tried hard for almost an hour, for almost 50 minutes. Then around 7:20 in the morning, he was declared dead.
Shocked at the sudden demise of one of their senior ministers, the senior party leaders rushed to the hospital to offer their condolences.
देश के विश्व में भी, राजनीति में भी उनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा। वो हमारे मंत्री बने और आज इस प्रकार का हादसा जो हुआ है वो मुंडे परिवार के लिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए और हम सब के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा धक्का है।
जब वो यहाँ पर आए तो वो बहुत गंभीर स्थिति में थे। जैसे ही मुझे जानकारी मिली मैं यहाँ पर आया और मैंने तुरंत जो है अपने सीनियर लीडर्स को भी इन्फॉर्म किया।
It is certainly a setback for the party leaders, and most importantly, let's remember he was not only a senior leader of the BJP, he was a deputy leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. He was also the leader of opposition in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. He has been associated with the BJP for several years, specifically with regard to the NDA. A lot of issues that were taken up. Gopinath Munde's, in fact, advice was always a sure shot that was taken by the leadership.
The Prime Minister offered his condolences to the family. And other party leaders paid their last respects to the mortal remains of Gopinath Munde at the BJP's headquarters in the capital.
Remember, yesterday there was almost a 3.5 hour long meeting between all the ministers in Narendra Modi's cabinet, the Council of Ministers. Everyone got together, and from what a lot of ministers who were participating in it told us, it was a very informal get-together where everyone exchanged notes, spoke about how the entire campaign and the entire process of swearing in had been for them. And soon after that, the demise of Gopinath Munde has come as an extremely shattering blow for the BJP.
You meet him yesterday at 9 o'clock, spend half an hour of hilarious time together. In the morning you hear he is no more. How do you react?
कल ही हम मीटिंग के बाद मिले थे और मुंडे जी का इस तरह से हादसे में निधन होना बहुत ही हमें शॉकिंग है।
A mass leader, Munde won the Lok Sabha elections from his hometown Beed with a record margin, and it's here that his final rites will be performed.
Everything has changed in the state of Maharashtra. The politics has now changed with the demise of Mr. Gopinath Munde. That's what we can tell you. For the moment, of course, let us see how things are going to pan out, at least politically. But for the family, it's a huge loss for first Pramod Mahajan and now Mr. Gopinath Munde, the same extended family.
The 64-year-old leader has been the face of the BJP in Maharashtra for over 2 decades, and Gopinath Pandurang Munde's sudden demise is a big loss to the party.